Town production.
PC on the beat.
Alright guys, I'm back. I know it's been a minute. Probably about 2 or 3 months, man. To be honest, I've just been busy. I've been busy and the creek has been down, as you can tell. So I really couldn't get my boat in because the water was just too low, basically. But it looks like the water's gotten up a little bit, so I'm gonna see if some of these fish done came out back in the middle a little bit. They say it's a good time for crappie to be in the creeks now, so we're gonna see if we can make something shake, man. You already know how it go. I ain't got no live bait, all plastics. That's usually how I get them. So y'all tune in, man. Fred B Fishing TV. Guys, right now I'm just trying to see if I can locate some fish, basically. Not much going on. We're gonna see what we can find, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, I found a couple of fish. Not sure if you guys can really see it due to the sun glare and all of that, but I'm over here by this fallen tree basically, and there's some fish down there. See if I can get down to them. They about like 3.5, 4 feet without spooking them. About 15 feet out. So we're gonna see. And I'm starting off with like a bobber and a jig. I'm gonna see if the fixed deck will kind of work in this situation, but if not, I'm gonna just do the long jigging pole, and you know how that go, without spooking the fish. One, two, three. All right, I'm about 3.5 feet now, right now. So I'll put a little crappie nibble on it, give it a little scent. Right there. All right, let's see if I don't get hung up. I already got one on, guys. I didn't even see it. Damn. It's a nice bluegill. Guys. Look at that. I didn't even see it go down. I didn't see the float go down. I didn't even get a chance to. So that lets me know I need to keep the camera on the water, because look like they hungry. That's a nice one too. On the jig. There's a little school of them over there. Alright, we'll see if they can do that again. Probably not far enough, but that should be it right there. Alright guys, I got a big old bowfin on. It's not what I targeted, but you know. Oh, it's got some fight, man. Damn. Let's see if I could just tire it out. Yeah, it looks like it's about tired now. I hate these fish, man. Wow, that's a big one though. I think it's tired now. Let's see if I can get the net on it. Oh shit, it ain't tired. It's almost over. Chillax, man, chillax. Get away from the trolling, man. Damn, those things got some cool, man. Come back over here, man. I'm gonna let you go. Yes, sir. See how I'm gonna get you out now. Got my damn thing. I ain't touching that. You got teeth. It's a big fish. I wonder how much it weighs. How about we find out? I ain't weighing that shit, man. That shit too rough. Get your stinking back in the water. It's fish though. Hey man, chill out, bro. I'm gonna get you, put you back, bro. Ooh-wee. Y'all see that? What I'm talking about, bro. God damn. Alright, man, let me put you back. Like, bro, if you don't leave me alone, bro. I ain't trying to get hit by that tail. Damn. Woo. Crappie fishing TV, man. You just never know what you're gonna catch out here in the creek, man. Multi-species. I ain't gonna lie, that fish had me tired as hell, though. Alright, let me see if I can get this jig out of this net and get back in the water. Y'all stay tuned. Get your ass in here. Little creek bring. Calm down, bro. I hooked him. He wasn't going nowhere, that's for sure. Creek brim. He's going in the cooler though. Damn these dumb ass fish, man. I really hate these fish, man. bunch of these in here too, man. Chill out. That's another one, y'all. I keep catching these damn fish, man. I don't want them. I probably knocked this out of that fish, I ain't gonna lie. He tough though, he'll survive. Crappie Fishing TV. Y'all already know what it is, man. Let's go ahead and anchor right here. All right, so it looks to be like a mess of fish. I don't know if y'all can see that. So let me see what's cracking over here, man. Might have to put it on a bobber for that, man. But we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, hello. Might got some action. Right, nah. Damn. There's a whole school of them right there, man. Big school. Not sure what it is. 2. GoPro, start recording. Yeah, it's a school of crappie. Oh yeah, I'm about to tear that up. Not the biggest. Not the biggest. Damn. I mean, he over 9. Just shy of 10. But down here, that's a keeper, man. GoPro, start recording. Damn, that's a good one. Might be a bowfin, man. Yeah, it was another one of them damn bowfins. Got me caught up in the stick. Damn. Seen him on the Livescope. Can't get away from these damn things.